Hello guys, this is Keyapp, platform for app analytics and app keyword promotion. Before watching this video, please subscribe to our channel to get all the news about App Store optimization, keyword promotion, as well as to get some updates from our service. Also, if you like this episode, please leave your likes and comments here. We really appreciate this, and this makes us to create even more video content for you. Today it is a kind of new type of episode at our channel because we see that we receive huge amount of questions from you all the time, and we decided to create a new type of episodes called frequently asked questions, where we will answer the questions from you. As you could see, we had a post on our social media asking you to leave the questions you have to us, and we will do our best to answer all of them today. So I have here the list of questions from you, and let's actually start. The first question from you is, can I order only reviews without ordering keyword installs? Yes, you definitely can order such a service at our platform. So here I logged into our platform to account, and I went to the section called Add High Quality Reviews. So basically it is a service of reviews with 30-day guarantee where you can order some positive feedback for application. And this service doesn't demand ordering keyword installs as well. You can order only the feedback separately for your app. Here are both stores, Google Play and App Store, and a lot of regions. For Google Play, we have 70 plus regions, and for App Store, there are 100 plus regions. So you can order both reviews written by us, and you can add your own tags. For example, if you want to add some keywords to the reviews with the aim to get into the index for the particular keywords. So as I have said previously, this service is with guarantee, so if some reviews are deleted within 30 days after the order was completed, we will refund or we will refill the missing reviews completely for free. The next questions I have sounds like how to choose the keywords for promotion. If to be honest, this sim deserves a lot of articles, a lot of YouTube videos, but if to talk in a couple of words, first of all, you need to understand for which keywords your application is indexed. So for which keywords, for which search requests your application could be found on Google Play or App Store. You can do this at our platform as well. For example, you go to my keywords section, just choose the store, choose the application, and choose the country. Most probably before starting the keyword promotion, you have already done the app optimization, so ISO. So basically you could have already the list of keywords which were added to the app tags and which were gathered with the aim to understand which keywords are popular, which are not, and which keywords should be paid attention to. So you can add these keywords to my keywords section and get for which search request your application had the rank. After this, you will understand that you can promote your application for the search request because the app is in top 250 apps on Google Play or App Store. And basically, I have the next question, which sounds like how to get which keywords are relevant for my app. And I suppose both these questions, like how to choose the keywords for promotion and how to get which keywords are relevant, they are connected because of course, it is important to promote the application only for relevant keywords. It is important because even if the keyword is of high traffic, for example, the traffic may be checked here. Traffic means how many searches organic users do on the store of the particular keyword daily. So even if the keyword is of high traffic but it is not relevant for application, most probably after getting top positions you won't get any organic traffic, because organic users, when they look for particular search request, they know what they would like to download. If they put in the search bar draw, they know that they would like to download draw app or some drawing game, etc. So in such a case, you can evaluate if the keyword is relevant for your application. One more method which I can recommend is going to Google Play, put the keyword to search bar, and check the list of the apps you see for this search request. Like, let's take simple example, like you have a drifting car and you would like to check if the keyword drifting is relevant for application. You just go to Google Play, type drifting in the search, and we check the list of apps we see. If you see your competitor apps among this application in the list, most probably the keyword is relevant to your app, and you can both add this keyword to your app tags and you can promote the application for such a search request, because after getting top position you will have a chance to get organic traffic. In such a way, we work with this combination when we choose the keywords for promotion. So first of all, the application should be ranked, so it is possible to find your app for search request on Google Play in the chosen country, in the country actually you would like to promote your application in. And then we evaluate the relevance of the keyword to your application. We check with the help of Google Play, of App Store. We just check the list of apps, and if we see competitor, then we can understand that this keyword is relevant for our application. And in such a way, you will have the best chances actually to get the organic traffic after getting top positions. Okay, the next question I have here is how to increase the positions for high traffic keyword. Actually, let's discuss what high traffic keyword is. So high traffic keywords are keywords which have a lot of searches daily on the store. So we can understand that these are keywords which are popular among users. And of course, the more popular the keyword is, the more difficult it is to promote the application for such a search request. On the difficulty of promotion, first of all, the amount of installs and the period of time needed to get top positions are meant, because it is important to understand that for popular keywords, there are higher competitiveness between different apps, and basically everyone wants to be, for example, top one for the keyword drifting or drawing, etc. So in such a way, it is needed to mention that it is still possible to promote the application for such a keyword. It is still possible to get top positions, but you should remember that, first of all, more installs may be needed to get to top. For example, if to promote the application for the keyword drawing app for free, we may need like 200, 300 installs to get top positions in general. But for the keyword draw, there may be needed even thousands of installs to get top positions. Also, it is needed to mention that a longer period of time may be needed to get such top positions for search requests of high popularity, of high traffic, because the promotion process will be longer, because Google will need more time to analyze the results, and of course you will need to add the installs within a longer period of time to show Google algorithm that the application gets the installs for the high popular, high traffic search request for a long period of time. Anyway, when you are going to promote the application for such a keywords, I would recommend also to promote the application for the keywords of low and middle popularity simultaneously, and this keyword should be with the same core, like they should have a similar element. If we are talking like at our example drawing, we may promote draw app draw game free, draw app free, etc. And in such a way, Google will understand that the application is promoted for the group of similar keywords together, and this could help you to increase for the main high traffic keyword faster. The next question I have in my list is why keyword installs give such a result and increase, and how this actually works. So why keyword installs give such a result? First of all, because your application with the help of keyword installs is downloaded for particular search request. As we have discussed in our many videos, it is important to show Google that the application gets the installs for the particular search request, and in such a way the algorithm understands that the position in the list should be higher because of this activity with the keyword with the search request. So basically, this gives such a result because Google or Apple algorithm check the amount of install the application gets for particular search request and increase the position. So basically, with the help of keyword installs, you can get top ranks for different search requests. How this worked? The application is found on the store for the particular search request. And as I have said previously, the application should be in the list of 250 apps for this search request. After this, the application is downloaded, opened, and in such a way Google understands that the position should be higher. Of course, it is not like 1 second process. Mostly for Google, the time is needed to see the result because their algorithm works not so fast as Apple. For Apple, for example, you can see the result after keyword installs already the next day, but for Google, more time needed. But anyway, the logic is like this. The application is found for search request in the list of apps, downloaded, opened, Google or Apple algorithm understand that the position should be higher. And the final question I have for today is what to do if my app has no keywords and how actually check if the app has keywords. First of all, I would like to answer the second part of this question, how to check. At Keyapp, for example, you may use Smart Campaign, which can help you to check if the application can be found in the list of 250 apps on Google Play or App Store in particular country. In such a way, you will get the list of keywords. If this tool will show that there are no keywords, first of all, what I would recommend to do is to check if your application is optimized. So it is needed to check if keywords are added to your app title, subtitle for App Store, a short and long description for Google Play, because remember that for App Store, it is not important to add the keywords to long description because the Apple algorithm doesn't check this field while they give the indexation. So first of all, we check the app tags. Then we check if the app has a good conversion rate, good reviews, good rating, because it is important to note that all these factors influence the indexation process as well. If you notice that everything is fine, all the keywords are added, everything is fine with the reviews, with the rating, you can try some additional tools to get into the index for the keywords. First of all, for Google Play, for example, we may use some CPA campaigns, which we have on platform as well. And in such a way, while the application starts to get some installs, for example, installs from ads, Google says that there is an activity on the application and it starts to indexate the app one more time just to check all the keywords, conversion rates, reviews again, and in such a way the application can get indexation. One more tool which works for Google Play as well is adding the keywords to the reviews. So for example, you can order reviews at Keyapp and add some search requests to reviews tags because Google also checked this field while giving the positions for the keywords to the app. Also, if you have tried all these methods already, you can just consider the some metadata changes. So you can change the keywords in description, in title, in subtitle. Of course, if the app is not indexed at all, because we remember that all the changes to metadata, even some changes at icon screenshots, may influence the app positions for keywords a lot. That's all the questions I had for today part of this video. But anyway, when you see such posts on our social media on Facebook, just leave your question there and we will be happy to discuss them in our episode. Also, in our blog, you can find frequently asked questions section where actually there are a lot of different questions and replies for them. But anyway, if you cannot find some replies, please contact your personal manager, contact our support team, and we'll be happy to assist and answer all the questions you have. Get top positions in the search with Keyapp.